This is Kai and he wants to play Hammer of Justice from the popular game Deltarune.
That's why he's the GOAT!
He's 16, level 10 piano, and this is his first time playing after not ever touching piano for a long while. Our goal is to teach him 3 techniques that he can use to play the song in under 10 minutes. Stick around to find out the results.
Alright, so could you show me a bit of the song?
Right, okay.
That was a bit rough on the ears for those who haven't heard the song. This is what it's supposed to sound like.
Okay, yeah, so from what I heard, yeah, it seems like you're sort of just learning it, right?
Yeah.
It's a little bit unfamiliar. There's 3 tips I can give you that'll help you learn it in 10 minutes. First, look for patterns in the music. Second, make sure you get all the right rhythms as you're playing. And third, play it in sort of your own style. From the start, we can see the main theme is sort of this, right? Da, 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 da. And you can see that it repeats throughout the song, right? And maybe it'll reappear throughout the song with a slight variation to it, like a little bit of a change here and there. But as long as you know the main theme, the main gist of it, you can sort of just play it through. Let's try playing it through, and this time, don't worry too much about reading the notes. Just keep that in your head,
Okay.
and play through. All right, good, good. So yeah, as long as you can get that part, which I actually noticed you were sort of emphasizing a bit, you're bringing that part out, which is good. If you emphasize it, it'll help you sort of learn other sections faster and also help you play through other sections because you know that pattern already, you just gotta redo it over and over throughout the song. All right, so the second tip, making sure that all your rhythms are correct. Once you learn the right rhythms for one section, you can sort of take it and apply it to other sections as well. The main melody, the main sort of motif, you got that rhythm correct. It's da 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 da, right? And then you had da 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 da. And you can see that maybe it changes up a little bit like the second line instead of it goes like da 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 da. And yeah, one other thing I noticed is that your left hand rhythm for this part is a little bit shaky. So I think we gotta make sure we lock that one in because that's also a repetitive rhythm, right? So try playing it like. Yeah, so you're just missing that one note, that one extra fast note. Da, 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 da. Just do a little slower. Yes. No.
I keep trying to emphasize the double notes instead of, yeah.
Emphasize the bottom one. Yes, yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, good. So that was the left hand rhythm there. Yeah, it requires a little more practice, but you're getting it down. So as long as you can sort of nail this part down, then you can sort of take it and apply it to any time this section comes up again in this song.
Hold it!
We're on the mission to build 100 free educational YouTube channels to provide free education to everybody. If you want to support our journey and this channel, please like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, so my third tip would be that you don't have to play all the notes on the sheet music. You can sort of add your own style to the piece. If we combine the first two, you know the rhythms of this section, you know the patterns of this section. You sort of already know the overall shape of the piece, right? All right, so let me demonstrate this for you. I haven't heard this song before, and I've never seen this sheet before today. And but based on what I heard from you playing and what I sort of know about the patterns and the rhythms, I can sort of play it, in my own way, right? Something like that, right? I don't think that's exactly what's written, but I just sort of got that based on the patterns and the rhythms that you showed me. Yeah, do you want to give it a try?
Okay, so if I want to, does that mean I can emit hard rhythms I can't really do?
Yeah, yeah. If you feel like there's something that's a little too hard, just, do it in your own style.
Okay, sure, I'll try it.
Yeah, good. Yeah, so I can hear that it's a lot smoother. It already sounds a lot smoother, a lot more together. It's still a little bit unfamiliar at parts. Some parts you maybe struggle a little bit. For those, yeah, try, you don't have to try this now, but like as you practice, try just playing through it, without stopping and see where it gets you. If it starts to sound really wacky, then maybe, yeah, you can revisit the sheet music again. But overall, I think you know enough about the song, enough about the melody to be able to sort of play it in your own way. If you found these 3 tips to learn new music quickly helpful, then please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.